Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll show you how easy it is to install a GROHE shower or bath faucet. Using GROHE Start as an example here. It sounds complicated, but it's not. One note to consider beforehand. The installation I'm showing you applies to other models as well, even if your model looks completely different. And one more thing. Of course, you should turn off the water before installation, either directly at the water meter or in your bathroom if possible. Then briefly let the residual water run out of the tap. First, let's check what's in the box. Of course, take a look at the enclosed installation manual. Using the QR code, you'll find further important information and eventually the installation video. Before starting with the installation, you should cover your shower tray to protect it from damage. To install your new faucet, all you need is an adjustable wrench. A 30-32 open-end wrench or chrome pliers. Let's get started then. First, screw these escutcheons onto the S connectors. Simply turn it on and tighten by hand. Simple as that. Now it's time for your new faucet. All you have to do is insert the enclosed seals into the union nuts. One on the left and one on the right. Then turn the faucet to the S connectors. Again, hand tighten first, then tighten again with the wrench. What is still missing now? Exactly, your shower hose. You simply screw this onto the bottom of the single lever mixer by hand. Now you can turn on the water again and check if everything is tight. Perfect! Now you can test your new faucet straight away. By the way, the installation and setting options I've shown you also apply to the bath faucet. The same applies here as well. This one also has a diverter to switch between bath spout and hand shower. All done. That was easy, wasn't it?